Hi, my name is William Demerity. I'm a staff Networking and Security Technical Adoption Manager at VMware. Aria Operations for Networks Lab, formerly known as VERNI, allows the network administrators and VMware admins to get deep insights into the networking infrastructure of their environments. It's great because typically the physical networking environment has been a bit of a black hole for the VMware admins. Once the traffic left the virtualization environment, there was no way to know what was happening to the traffic. Now the system administrators have deep end-to-end visibility in their environment and can work hand-in-hand with the networking teams to ensure network reliability. The typical user for this lab is either going to be the network administrator who is looking to gain greater insight into their virtualization environment that they manage, or the VMware administrator who's conversely looking for more insight into the physical environment that they run their infrastructure on. This is a lab that is continuously being updated and provides ongoing operations assistance. It's necessary because the VMware environments and the networks that underlie them are a dynamic environment, so they're not static. So being constantly able to diagnose problems as they occur and being able to lower the mean time to resolution is of critical importance for our customers. I would most encourage the networking administrators that we have out there that currently are supporting VMware environments and are looking for ways to gain visibility, especially as they start adopting a Kubernetes platform or other advanced virtualization platforms. The challenge of being able to bring these tools to life for our customers to be able to see the true value of them. It's sometimes hard to visualize the value by looking at a data sheet or looking at a group of documents, but being able to actually put hands on the keyboard and being able to actually traverse through real-world scenarios to come up with resolutions is invaluable to our customers.